Hello students, in this class we will continue the chapter number systems. Okay, in this class we will discuss about real numbers and their decimal expansion. Okay, see here, decimal expansions have two cases. One is terminating. Terminating means it become end, means the remainder becomes 0. Okay, non-terminating decimals means its remainder never becomes 0. Okay, terminating is always rational number. Okay, non-terminating means it's have two types. One is repeating, other one is non-repeating numbers. Okay, repeating numbers are non-terminating with repeating numbers are rational numbers. Okay, non-terminating, non-repeating numbers are irrational numbers. Okay, so we will discuss in detail. Okay, first case, the remainder becomes 0. The remainder becomes 0 means in this case decimal expansion terminates or ends. Okay, after a finite numbers of steps. Okay, we call the decimal expansion of such numbers are terminating. Okay, terminating decimal numbers. For example, 7 by 8 is 0.875. It becomes end, no? So it's a terminating decimals. Okay, this is also 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. After the decimal point, it has a finite numbers. Yes or no? See, this has a finite numbers, or it's terminating. We can also say it's ends. Okay, after some finite numbers. Okay, this is first case, that is remainder becomes 0. Second case, remainder never becomes 0. Never becomes 0 means it has a non-terminating. See, in this case you have a terminating block of digits in the quotient. Okay, this expansion is called non-terminating, recurring or repeating. Okay, means for example 2 by 3 is equal to 0.66666 are there, no? Continuously 6 are there. So it's a non-terminating and recurring, non-terminating recurring or non-terminating repeating numbers. Okay, the repeated digits are written as this 0.6 bar. Okay, 6 are repeated, no? So we take it as bar. Okay, similarly one more example, 1 divided by 3 is equal to, we get 0.33333. We can also write 0.3 bar. Okay, this is our remainder never becomes 0. Okay, that is non-terminating recurring or non-terminating repeating. Okay, suppose non-terminating non-repeating means it's a irrational number. Okay, see, note the decimal expansion of rational numbers is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. Moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating recurring is irrational number. Irrational number means decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, this is the irrational number expansion. Okay, understood? This is the shortcut method. Means decimals are two types. First one is terminating, other one is non-terminating. Terminating is always rational numbers. Non-terminating means it has two types. One is repeating, other one is non-repeating. Repeating means non-terminating repeated numbers are rational numbers. Non-terminating non-repeating numbers are irrational numbers. Okay, understood? based on this basic, we can solve the exercise. Okay. Hello students. In this class, we will discuss exercise 1.3. Okay. In this first main question, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Okay. In this sub question, 36 divided by 100. When we divide 36 divided by 100, we will get 0.36. Yes or no? So, this is a decimal form. So, what's the decimal expansion? Decimal expansion means it has end or decimal expansion is terminate. So, this is the terminating expansion. Okay. Next one. 1 divided by 11. By using long division method, you can solve. See, you know how to divide. Okay. So, divide by using the long division method. Okay. When we divide, see here, this quotient has non-terminating. Yes or no? It does not have end. Means remainder never become 0. Yes or no? So when we see here, 11 divided by 1 is there. No, 11, 1. 1 is not divided by 11. So take 0. 10 is also not divided by 11. So take on the 0. So 11 nines are 99. Okay, 1 will get. Same way is continue. Yes or no? So this 090909, it's terminating and repeated number. 09 is repeating here. Yes or no? So this is non-terminating and repeating. Yes or no? See, non-terminating repeating or non-terminating recurring. You can say anyway. Okay, 1 divided by 11 is equal to 0.090909 continuations there. So, we can also write 0.09 bar. Okay, this is the non-terminating repeating expansion. Okay, same way you can solve another one. They give one mixed fraction. So, this you want to convert in a fraction. For that, take cross multiplication. 8 4s are 8 into 4 plus 1. Okay, 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 8 as it is. By using long division method, you can solve. See here, in this, after some finite number, it has end, means remainder becomes 0. So, this is the terminating expansion. Okay. Same way you can solve remaining also. Okay. Those are same. Exercise 1.3, in this second main question, they given, you know that 1 divided by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Okay. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 are? Okay. Without actually doing the long division. Okay. If so, how? What you want to do? You have to find the decimal expansion which was not actually doing the long division method. Okay. See here. They given 2 by 7. 2 by 7, I can also write 2 into 1 by 7. Yes or no? So, take that 2 into 1 by 7. 1 by 7 they already given. So, take that, just multiply 2 into this term. You will get the answer. Similarly, you can solve remaining also. 3 by 7, I can also write 3 into 1 by 7 is equal to 3 into 1 by 7 they given. Put that value and multiply these two, you will get. Similarly, you can solve this. Okay. And third one. Express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay, what you have to do? You have to write the P by Q form, this number. Okay, you want to express. How you can express? You will see. First write on given things. 0.6 bar they given. So 0.6 bar I can also write 0.666 because they given a bar. This is repeating. Yes or no? So take 0.666. Just assume that x is equal to 0.666 continuation. Okay, take this equation 1. Okay, multiplying equation 1 with 10. Okay, what you will get? 10 into x. X is there, so multiply with 10 both side. Okay, 10 into x is equal to 10 into this term, means 0.666. Okay, so you will get 10x is equal to 10 into 0.666 means 6.666. Okay, continuation. So take this equation 2. Okay, after subtract this 2 minus 1. Okay, you will get 10x minus x. This 10x minus x is equal to 6.666. Okay, minus 0.666. Okay, take this. So 10x minus x means 9x. See here, this 6.666 minus 0.666. What you will get? See here, 6.666 continuation is there. Here subtraction 0.666 continuation is there. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Point is there. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay, means 6.0 means 6 only. So I wrote that 6 only. After that, you want x. For that, take this 9 to this side. What you will get? 6 by 9. 6 by 9 means 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 2 by 3 you will get. So x is equal to 2 by 3. Thus 0.6 bar you get 2 by 3. Yes or no? This is in the form of P by Q. Yes or no? So we can express the 0.6 bar by P by Q form. Okay. Next one. Second one. They given 0.47 bar. They given bar only for 7. Okay. So write on given thing. 0.4 bar is equal to 0.4 bar only have bar. So 7 only have a bar, so 7 is repeated here. So take that 0.47777. Okay, continuation. Let take x is equal to 0.47 bar means is equal to 0.4777. So this x is equal to 0.4777. Take this equation 1. Okay. After that, multiply equation 1 with 10. Okay, what you will get? 10x is equal to 4.777. Okay, take this equation 2. After that, subtract 2 from 1. What you will get? 10x minus x. This 10x minus x is equal to 4.777. This 4.777 minus 0.4777. Okay, after subtracting these two, see here, this 10x minus x is 9x is equal to, after subtracting these two, what you will get? 4.300. See here, 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, 7 minus 4 is 3. Point is there, take point. Next, 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, you get 4.3000. Okay. After that, take this 9 to this side. What you will get? X is equal to 4.30 0 after decimal point 0 is there, so I remove that. 4.3 divided by 9. Okay, so multiply and divide 10. Okay, what you will get? 43 divided by 90. This is our P by Q expansion. Okay, we can express this 0.47 bar. You can express P by Q form, that is 43 divided by 90. Okay, do remaining also, those are same. Okay.